Okay, I'm going to use the back of my fingers now. We're going to do a temperature assessment. Okay, I'm going to push a little bit deeper now into the muscles. Tender?
Yeah, hurts a tiny bit.
Left or right?
Left before. Before.
That one. Left or right?
In the middle.
Okay, come back just a little bit here like this. Any pain here?
In the bottom when you're touching it, yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Here, try to loosen just a little bit. Good.
Hurts.
Okay. Let's go to this right side. Here.
Hurts too.
Which one was more, right or left?
I think both.
Both equal? How about here? Both equal?
It hurts, yes, it hurts.
Both equal?
Yes.
Tender?
Well, when you press it, sure.
Okay, so I'm going to look at your glute fibers, okay? So the gluteus maximus and how the glute folds are relating to each other. So you're going to feel my fingertips on the back of your hamstrings, okay?
Okay.
Like this. I'm going to trace up to the glute fold.
Okay.
They look even there. Now looking from the top, the left is slightly more externally rotated. So we have a little bit of a rotation happening this way in your pelvis. So possible EX on the left. We'll check the legs to see for a PIIN. So let's do this now. Go ahead and take a half step back. Yeah, and then bend over and touch your toes. And so we have minimal rib humping here on the left side, and there's a deviation right here. We have a convexity to the right in the lumbar, thoracic lumbar spine. So stand up.
Okay.
Good, very heel heavy on the walking. Decreased arches bilaterally. Knees look good. All the way down, keep going all the way down. Good, knees are okay. Hip swing looks good. Come back this way now. Hip swing slightly exaggerated more to the right. Possible restriction on the left. Good. One more time that way. Looking at the shoulders. High left shoulder. And then come back this way again. Okay, but head over shoulders, shoulders over hips. Pretty good. You're very well compensated for it.
Left hurts. Ouch. Right.
Okay, I'm going to push into your pelvis here.
Okay.
Pain?
I don't think so.
Pain here?
Yes.
This is tender?
It's okay.
This is tender.
A little bit.
This is tender.
Yes.
This is L5 on the left. Pain.
Yes.
Pain.
Yes.
Left more than right.
Both.
Your right hip here. Go left. Good down. Left pelvis. Do you still have that pain there?
No.
Tender. Rozslavia.
It's hurting.
Tyše. Pressure's okay? Okay, I'm going to do a stretch on your spinal cord. Pressure's okay?
Yes.
Pressure's okay? breathing. Okay, Yana, I found a couple things to adjust here today. Okay, we're gonna start up here. Nice and gentle. Okay, nice and gentle. Go ahead and breathe in through your nose, not through your mouth. Good, shoulders relax and just sink in, very gentle. How's that pressure, okay?
I guess.
Did it hurt?
Yeah, in a way.
Okay, another breath in. Good. And out. Good. Good. Gentle, just checking. One more here, deep breath in. And out. Okay, gentle, breathe deeply, all the way in, far in as you can go. Good, and out. Good. How's this feel? Is it still tender up here?
Yes, on the right.
Is it the same? Is it better?
It's hard to say.
There's some muscle stuff happening here.
Oh,
That's a little bit of muscle tenderness there. Like this. So now let the shoulders relax here just a little bit. Good, we'll go skin to skin on this. So we've got L5, L4, L3. Now, we're gonna bring this down here like this. That's painful?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna move it forward just a little bit here. Okay, good. Okay, now breathing and out. I'm gonna follow your breath down. We're gonna come down like this and then push like that, okay? Get a deep breath in and out. Good, shoulders relaxed. Good, we're gonna bring this down.
Ow!
okay.
Breathe through your nose, lay on your back. Does that really hurt, or is that just like a thing that you do?
That hurt, but it was bearable.
Okay. Does it still hurt?
No.
Now, breathing, same thing, in and out. Good, we're gonna bring the shoulders up, the hips down. Good, breathe again. Good, and out. Good, loose, loose, loose.
Ow! Okay, that was worse than the left side.
Okay, lay on your back, so take a deep breath in, then lean back as you blow it out. All the way down, let your head relax, let your shoulders relax. Gentle. Okay, we have some muscle stuff here. So let's do a trigger point.
Pain is coming.
Breathe. Out. Okay, Yana, this is how I check the neck, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and turn your head to the right.
My hat to the right.
Yeah, turn to the right.
Mm-hmm.
Back to center.
Mhm.
Now to the left. Back to center.
Mhm.
Again to the right. Center. Left atlas. Bring your right ear down to your right shoulder.
Like you said left first?
You can do the left, yeah. Like this, ready? Straight like this.
Wait. You said the left ear to the shoulder?
Right.
Oh, okay.
Good. Okay, now back to center.
Mm-hmm.
Right ear, right shoulder. Breathe. Relax. Pain? So this time I'm going to pull your leg down like this, and then we're going to pull like that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, squeeze. Squeeze. Relax. Push out to the side. Push, 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 push. Okay, hold your knees together.
Okay.
Hold your knees together. Hold. Hold
Yeah.
them. Hold. Squeeze them.
Ah.
Squeeze.
Okay.
Okay, this is the organs of digestion. We're
Okay.
going to start with the ileocecal valve.
Okay.
Okay, so we find the belly button here, the umbilical. This is the ASIS, the
Okay.
hip bone. We connect the 2 points. We start from there.
Okay.
Tender. Tender.
Yes. Tender.
Dusha. Good. Breathe into your belly. Fill your belly up with, there you go, and out. That's perfect right there.
Yeah. Hurt. Hurt.
Okay, pyloric sphincter now. This is where the stomach enters into the small intestine. Clear.
Hurt.
What did you eat today?
Do you want me to tell you what I ate?
Mm-hmm.
Buckwheat, mushrooms, avocados, coffee with soy milk, bunch of tea, banana, and walnuts.
Did you eat the banana by itself?
Oh, banana and walnuts. Oh, and I also ate shrimp tempura.
Where'd you get the shrimp tempura?
Costco.
Costco? But you haven't eaten in a while?
I ate at 3.
Okay.
No, it's like 5 something. 5 maybe.
We're getting there.
It does hurt.
Breathe. Fill your belly with air. Keep breathing. Okay, I'm going to release your diaphragm now. Breathe in. Out. In. Out.
I have this thing that when I'm sleeping, I feel like my teeth are like grinding. But I don't think I have jaw pain. I don't think so.
Push it to the right. Push your jaw to the right. Yes. Pain?
Maybe a little bit.
Not to the left. Open to the left. Open to the left. Push to the left.
Yes, pain in the right.
Mm-hmm. Okay, open your jaw slow. Let me see your teeth. Smile. Now open slowly. Down. Wait, up, close. Teeth. Open. Teeth. Open. Close. Open. Close. Let me see your tongue. You have a little bit of candida on your tongue. It's all in the small intestine meridian. So close. So it's the last thing that you ate today. What's the last thing that you ate?
Shrimp tempura and the like sweeter soy sauce and a tea.
What kind of tea? Herbal?
Green peppermint
Okay.
tea.
Something about that your body doesn't like. It might be the soy sauce.
Why?
I can see it on your tongue.
I think I often have it.
The soy sauce?
No, the candida, the white thing.
Gotcha.
Yes.
I'm going to adjust your jaw. We're going to turn your head to the side and open your jaw slightly. Good. Now like close it just a little bit more. Okay, now I'm going to bring your jaw down, like try to let your jaw relax.
Should I close it or like
No,
keep
right
it a
there
bit
is
open?
perfect. Right there is perfect. Yep. And so we're just going to bring your jaw like in this direction. It's tender. It's tender.
Yes, a little bit. A little bit.
You're a little bit too tense for that. Okay, I'm going to do the cranials one more time, okay?
How was that?
All right, let's see. Go ahead and stand up. Take it for a test drive. How's it feel? Walk around a little bit. How's your back feel?
Feels lighter. I still feel like I have some, how to say, like some sort of tension. Like I want to make it like straighter and like, so there is some tension I can't really explain, but it does feel lighter.
It feels lighter. Do you have any back pain right now?
Not that I feel some like a little bit of tension in here, like in my shoulder blades, but it's not the same pain that I had when I came in.
Okay.
So when I came in, it was actually pretty bad.
Okay. How's your neck feel?
Feels fine.